Hello, sewing enthusiasts. Discover the perfect sewing basket storage organizer with a complete kit including threads, scissors, buttons, and more. This wooden sewing box features a removable tray and a charming tomato pincushion for all your mending needs. Its stylish white exterior and spacious interior make organizing your sewing essentials both practical and attractive. Crafted from durable wood, it has a soft polyester lining, ergonomic handle, and secure magnetic snap closure. Whether you're a beginner or experienced sewer, this kit offers everything you need for quilting, sewing, or quick repairs. It also makes a thoughtful gift for loved ones who enjoy crafting on the go. Enjoy your sewing projects with this beautiful, functional, and portable sewing basket. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.